This thing literally doubled in size. Oh my god.
Okay, time for round 3. So last time, I used a jumbo marshmallow for this hack. Today we're using a twisted marshmallow. So I'm pretty sure this might actually go really good or not actually work. Because I'm not sure if this marshmallow is actually able to grow, but we'll find out. All right, it's in there. Doesn't look like anything's, wait. No way, is it actually? No way. No way it is actually, whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh, still hot. As you can see, this definitely grew. Oh my gosh. This is like slime. This is honestly one of the best marshmallows I've ever microwaved yet.